too hard, this is too boring, like I don't want to do this. Like I didn't think you needed a running shoe. I felt like you could just run in any shoe. Some people have their own regimen, and I think one of the things that makes people get unmotivated is trying to match someone else's regimen and it not working for them. Like, this is all for you to create for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to stay motivated to work out, whether it's running, whether it's lifting weights, or both. I got you. Whether you're a beginner and you're just like, I want to work out, but I got no motivation, but I want to work out, try to follow these. Or whether you're just an expert and you're just like, I just don't want to do it today. These are 10 tips and tricks that I do to stay motivated, to stay consistent, and that makes me feel good and helps me get going. So without further ado, let's get on into it. So my first tip is pick what time of day you feel best to work out. For me, it's the morning. I've honestly switched it up every now and then, but like sometimes I feel the best at night, and so I'll go. My gym is 24 hours, well, was 24 hours because it's not open now, but my gym was 24 hours and I would go at any time of the day. That's why I ended up picking that gym, because I had that luxury. If you are not a morning person and you're dragging yourself in the morning to the point where you don't even want to eat breakfast, don't go in the morning. If you are not a night person and you're literally half asleep on the treadmill, don't go at night. Like, just pick a time where you feel the strongest mentally and physically. For me, it's the morning. I just feel like it sets me up for a better day, and I just feel awake, ready to go, and I have a lot of energy throughout the day. For the second tip, definitely have something to look forward to before your workout or after your workout. For me, it's most likely drinks or food. I go to the gym in the morning, or I work out in the morning, and I always make sure that I have something to look forward to just get me started. So for me, it's avocado toast right now. I'm obsessed, and I literally could eat that every single day, all day, doesn't matter. But avocado toast is the meal that I look forward to before my workout. It just tastes good, it makes me feel good, and then I know I'm gonna eat my avocado toast, then I'm gonna go have a kick-ass workout. If you have that to look forward to when you don't want to do something, it just makes it so much better. When it comes to drinks, I am not a coffee person. I don't like coffee, so I don't get my energy from coffee. In order for me to get my energy, I usually either drink a Bang. I'll put it here on the screen because I actually don't have any right now of what I'm talking about. A Bang energy drink. It has like BCAAs, creatine, and a bunch of other stuff, vitamin B's and stuff like that. But I don't have that at the moment. So I actually ended up getting the C4 Ripped. The C4 Ripped does a bunch of different things. I'm not going to go in on it because this is not that type of video, but I can give you a video on all the supplements that I take for my workout if you'd like. But this is a pre-workout in the flavor cherry limeade. Again, this is something I look forward to. It tastes really good, it feels really good, it gives you like that tingling sensation, but then I'm ready to go. So that's one thing that I would definitely recommend. Have like food or drinks that like help you stay energized and like ready to go. So the fourth tip is definitely the most important tip, and it's basically, what's your goal? Like, what are you trying to work towards? Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to build muscle? Are you trying to lean out? Are you trying to build a bigger butt? You know what I mean? Like, what is your goal? Like, whatever your goal is should be your motivation to even work out, because once you start seeing results, I promise you it's so addicting. The one thing that I do suggest is buying a scale. A scale, I don't know how much a scale really is, because when I got mine, I went to 5 and below and it was $5. So it doesn't have to be super expensive, but just have a scale. Whether you're paying attention to the number on the scale or you're looking at your physique, take progress pictures too. Like, it helps you determine whether you're making progress or not if you're not. Because when you're looking at yourself every day, it's very easy to be like, I don't see a difference. But once you start seeing it in pictures, that's a big thing. And most importantly, on top of that, having a deadline. A deadline basically keeps you on track and pushes you harder. Without a deadline, it's really easy to get unmotivated, because then you don't have like a time constraint. Definitely, that's the big one. I should have said that first, but that's the big one. Buy a piece of clothing that you don't fit into right now, but you'd like to fit into. I always do that. I always buy clothes sometimes that are smaller than me that I want to fit into later, which helps me and motivates me to stay consistent with my workouts, especially if I have a deadline. Like, I think I bought, like 2 years ago, I bought a really nice jumper that was like way too small for me. Every month I would try it on, and then I would kind of fit into it more and more. and it was hard because I had a zipper in the back. So if the zipper didn't close, I knew that I had to work out my lower back a lot more and slim down, and then I ended up fitting into it, and so that was perfect. Sometimes it's a bathing suit that I buy. Like I said, last time it was a jumper. Sometimes it's a dress. I think that's probably one of my favorite motivators, like buying a piece of clothing that you really want to wear and you really want to fit into for a special occasion. No brainer. Another thing I do is I follow people on Instagram. Sometimes I'll be having a good leg workout and then someone will post something and I'm like, ooh, I would have never tried that, and then I try it and it works beautifully, or sometimes it just does not work for me. So it helps you try new things, it helps you stay motivated, and especially when someone's already at their peak when it comes to their fitness, it helps you be like, wow, like I can get there if I just stay consistent. And these people also recommend supplements, and sometimes I like to try that as well because sometimes my body does plateau. It gets so used to my workout that I need some change. So whether it's a supplement or whether it's a workout routine, having people to go to constantly every day is really, really nice. When you look good, you feel good. Like, wear something that makes you feel good to work out. If you do not feel motivated in a hoodie, I personally do, I always work out in a hoodie, but like if you don't feel motivated in a hoodie, don't wear a hoodie. If you feel motivated wearing tight clothes, wear tight clothes. If you feel motivated wearing yoga pants, wear yoga pants. Leggings, wear leggings. Biker shorts, wear biker shorts. Like, who cares? Just wear whatever you want to wear. And another big thing is, for me, my hair lately. Like, when I feel like my hair is like slicked up and out of my face, it just feels amazing, especially working out, because I don't like my face, I don't like my hair to be all over the place. I just feel a lot more put together, and then I just feel ready for my workout. Like, I look good and I'm gonna feel good, and then I'm gonna work out and be great. So 3 weeks ago, I bought running shoes. They finally came. I'll actually unbox them with you. I used to hate running outside. Like, I don't know what it was. I was like, this is too hard, this is too boring, like I don't want to do this. And then I had kind of no choice, and I still wanted to stay fit. After running for like 2 weeks, my ankle started hurting, where I cannot do that anymore. I was like, oh my god, this really hurts. My right ankle was shot. I had to like wrap it up, ice it, put like some, it's not called icy freeze, but it kind of works the same way. I forgot what it's called. So I kind of had to do that, and then I realized after like looking it up, it was saying like if you have a wide foot, which I do, and you don't have a supported shoe and you're running, that's a huge no-no. Like a huge no-no. And I was like, ooh, running shoes? Like I didn't think you needed a running shoe. I felt like you could just run in any shoe. Like, I didn't think that that was necessary, but it definitely is. So it finally came in. I opened it and I tried them on. Look how cute these are. These are so cute. I really am into white shoes. I really shouldn't be because I get them very, very dirty, but this is so cute. You see this thick bottom piece right here? This is the support. It literally feels like a cloud on your foot, no joke. It is super supportive, it's super comfy. I am so excited to run in these today. So yeah, like I said, when you look good, you feel good. Buy a new freaking shoe if it makes you feel motivated, you know what I mean? And I got some new socks while I was at it too. So these are like calf socks, super cute, black. And then I got them in white. This next tip is a big one for me because when I'm tired, when I've been working out, I'm like, oof, I'm tired, I want to go home, or I'm done, or I feel like I'm done. This is what pushes me through, which is making a fire playlist. If I ever feel like I'm slacking a little bit, this is what's like, no. Go. Like, put in the work and go. Make a specific playlist for songs that get you pumped. Some people listen to podcasts. I'm actually getting into podcasts. I never thought I'd ever say that, but listen to something that's gonna keep you going. The next tip is workout with a partner. Like, workout with a workout partner, so you have someone like to either talk to, keep you company, keep you motivated, push you, you know what I mean? Actually, don't follow that one. I can't work out with somebody else. It throws me off, it distracts me, and it does not help. But for some people, it actually keeps them on track. I know a lot of people that like would like to work with someone because they just get bored, which I completely understand, but I am a person that like I compete against myself. I'm like, girl, you only did 3 miles, you gotta keep going. The last tip is actually one that I've been using very, very frequently, and I'm very, very excited to use today with my new shoes, is downloading apps that help you along your workout. Like, if you feel like you're stuck and you aren't motivated because you don't know what to do, find an app that like kind of helps you and guides you. A lot of these fitness models have a lot of their own workout apps and workout routines, so you could download one of theirs. I think you probably have to pay for them, but there's a bunch of free ones. The one that I'm talking about that I have been using ever since this whole craziness happened is NIKERUN. NIKERUN is such an amazing app. It's so, I think I started learning how to love running from using NIKERUN. And now I think when the gyms open back up, I don't think I'll be running on a treadmill anymore. I think I'll still be running outside. It's so nice. NIKERUN is designed where it has like the map, and while you're running, it like basically tracks your whole run. So when you're done, it shows you how far you went, and like on a map. Like when I realized, I'm like, yo, I drive this every day and I just ran the whole thing. Like that's crazy. So I definitely like NIKERUN. It has a bunch of stuff for beginners, experts. It's very designated and designed for every single person. That's actually how I bought my shoes and my socks. They have a portion on there which is like their Nike shop. So it makes it super easy, and it actually, that's how I even figured out which running shoe was going to be best for me. It gave me so many recommendations. It has a lot of videos of people wearing the shoe. So I have a big ass foot, by the way, and I was like, oh my god, I don't want to wear a shoe that makes me feel like I'm wearing clown shoes, you know what I mean? So when I was able to see videos, I was like, ooh, she has a big foot like I do. So then that's how I got this shoe. It actually connects to your music as well on Apple Music. I think probably Spotify too, I don't know. You can have the trainer in your ear if you want, and the music playing as well. It also has like little time marks where it's like you hit 1 mile in this amount of minutes and this is your pace. So that's where I'm like, oh, that was my pace. Like I need to get faster, you know what I mean? Like I need to do this faster. It gives you a bunch of medals and achievements, and it's such a great app. Honestly, if you hate running or want to get into running, download NIKERUN. Download apps that, you know, help you stay fit, get you motivated, helps you and gives you guides and tips on, you know, what to do if you get lost. And yeah, that's pretty much all the tips that I have. Those are all the tips that I pretty much follow. Like I said, one of them I don't, which is having a partner. I hope it works out for you. Let me know below if you have any other motivators that you use to stay motivated to work out, because I'm always looking, you know, I always get to that point. But these are the ones that I basically go to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.